Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add payment methods to Shopify. Okay, now this is a new update. I already made videos specifically about this topic, about how you can add more payment methods to your own Shopify store. Now this is a new update. Like I said, all you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your Shopify store. And I'm also going to show you some tricks, guys. I'm just going to log in into my Shopify store right now, as you can see here. Okay guys, I am on the dashboard of my Shopify store. You want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on store details, okay? And after that, as you can see where it says billing information, you want to click this pin button. And here, make sure you select the correct country, okay? Now, if you want to set up Shopify payments, you can't do that except you select United States, because Shopify payments are only available for people who live in United States. And for example, if you want to use Stripe, you need to change it to France. Okay, of course you have to have France address, stuff like that. Now this is going to be different. Like if you select another country, like when we go to the add payment methods and stuff like that, it's going to be a little bit different, but the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I mean in a few seconds. Now, for example, I'm going to change this to France because I want to add Stripe, for example. You want to click on save. Of course, you want to you can always come back to this and change the settings if you don't like, for example, if you don't I'm sorry, if after you add, for example, Stripe, you can always come back to this page and change it to your own country, your original country. Now I'm going to click, after you select the correct country, click on settings, and you want to click on payments. Now, like I said, depending on the country that you have selected, this is going to be different. Okay, I'm just going to activate the testing because I was testing some. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be different. For example, if you select the United States, you will see here in the top Shopify payments. Now, Shopify payments, you can set it up and then you can start receiving like you can start receiving funds to your Shopify, okay, using Shopify payments. It's the payment that is already inside your Shopify store, okay? It's the same company, the Shopify payments. All right. Now, if you select, for example, France, you will still have to click on, for example, if you select Africa or PayPal is going to be the default payment like provider. As you can see, if you click on activate PayPal, you can activate it here and it will take you directly, guys, to PayPal so that you can add your information so that to link your PayPal. Now, if you selected France, you will find something else here. Anyway, if you, for example, if you don't live in the United States and you want to add another payment method like Stripe, you just need to click on choose provider here, and you can search for Stripe here. Of course, you have to create an account on Stripe. You already have to have an account on Stripe. If you don't know how to create an account, just search on YouTube for how to create an account on Stripe. And then you want to enter your email there, and then you can link your Stripe account. Now, if you want to add a different provider, just scroll down. You can add like the payment methods like by a third party, or you can scroll down and you can add a payment method that is supported by Shopify. If you just click on add payment method, and you can search by a provider or search by payment method. If you search by payment method, for example, I want to accept credit cards. For example, I want to accept Visa and MasterCard and Discover, American Express. These are the providers that offer these payment methods. Now, you just need to create an account, for example, on Bankful. The transaction fee is 0. I just need to create an account on Bankful, and then I will start receiving payments through Bankful. Okay, I can, for example, as you can see, Bankful offers simple and secure and seamless experience for merchants to access payments anytime, anywhere. The Bankful platform has a robust suite of payment products with powerful features such as subscription billing, automated fraud tools. So what you guys need to do, you just need to select here, you just need to search the payment methods that you want to accept, and then you will find the providers that allow you to do that, and you just need to create an account. You can also accept Bitcoin if you want. If you search for Bitcoin, there will be like 2 providers or more providers that accept Bitcoin. You just even Bankful accepts Bitcoin, and Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and 3 more. Also crypto.com Pay. You can create an account on these, and you can link them, connect them to your Shopify, and then you can start using them, okay? Just like you use PayPal and Payoneer, okay? That's exactly, guys, what you need, okay? You can also, if you scroll down, as you can see here, you can also add many payment methods such as cash on delivery if you want to receive, like if you want your customer to receive their order before paying, okay? You can send the order to your customer before they pay for the order, okay? As you can see, you just need to add here additional details, like you are going to pay, this is going to be displayed to the customer, you are going to pay for you are going to pay for this after you receive the item, something like that, and then click on activate cash on delivery. Like payment instruction displays to customers offered after they place an order with payment method, something like thank you for paying, now your order is going to be sent to you, after that you are going to pay blah blah blah. Okay, that's exactly what you need to type here. Then click on activate cash on delivery. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you guys next one.